Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing the DVD menu walkthrough for In the Night Garden, Winter Day in the Garden. So we got play all, which plays all the episodes. Got episode selection. And the episodes are Windy Day in the Garden, Upsy Daisy Forgets Her Stone, Long Pong Can Ride on the Piggy Pong, High and Low, and What That Music Tommy Booms. And that was the DVD menu walkthrough for In the Garden, Windy Day in the Garden. It was quite a short one, surprisingly. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And see you next time. Ciao!